Good evening, everyone. It is June 23rd, 2017. We're doing another personal box break for Dan in the YouTube stream. He purchased a personal box of 2015-16 Premier Hockey. With that man right there, Mick MVP, Mick Connor McDavid. Mick Connor McDavid. Mick everything. And if there is autographed tins, that'd be pretty cool. I see their autograph right on the side of the ear from a photo. They put a couple of them out there. Call it like goose eggs or Easter eggs. Alright, so let's move these out. Rookie Premier Jersey, Max Domi. Nikolai Ehlers, 78 of 299. And John Tavares, 307 of 399. We also have a break of this in the store, guys. We have a break of this in the store. Jaspy's HobbyLand.com. Yeah, Trev, I'm dual streaming today, and I'm coming in tomorrow, breaking at 12. Coming a little early tomorrow, I'm breaking. Joe's at has to go to his friend's wedding this weekend, I think. So, I think he was heading out there today. Alrighty. Let's go on to the hits. Good luck. We have Vincent Hinostroza, Rookie Premier Auto Patch, 161 of 375. I love these acetate rookie patch autographs right here. They're beautiful. Yeah, man. Busy week for me, right? Yeah. To make up some time as well. We have a redemption coming up, so we'll leave that to the end. We have Charles Hudon, Rookie Premier, autograph, 34 of 49 for Montreal. That could be a pretty nice redemption. I know in this product, Dylan Larkin's a redemption, which I think that guy's going to have a bounce back year for sure, and his stuff will continue to rise. Last card here. Evgeny Malkin, Phil Kessel, 110 of 149. Alrighty. Redemption time. Let's check and see who it is. Good luck, Dan. NHL Premier Acetate Rookie Patch Autograph, Silver Spectrum, card number 110, number to 65. Wow, that's a low number right there. It's a Silver Spectrum. Nice. Nikolai Ehlers of the Winnipeg Jets. Nice. Silver Spectrum, number to 65. Those are really nice. Nikolai Ehlers of the Winnipeg Jets. Yeah, it's a very nice card. Well, there you go, man. Here was your personal box right here, man. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.